Hi, hello.
Welcome. Please come in. Welcome to my humble place. This is Ceramic Cube.
So, can you tell us more about yourself?
Okay, so what do I say? My name is Hameed Al-Qahtani. I'm 29 years old. Bachelor degree graduate in mechanical engineering. I work for Qatar Petroleum, and I found a passion for clay, and I started ceramic.
So, what got you into pottery?
That's a long story. Are you sure you want to listen?
Yes?
All right. So it literally started almost 2017 when I was going to my psychiatrist. I discovered I have a lot of serious issues, like we all have. And she recommended for me to play with Play-Doh. After being very stubborn for almost a year or something, I bought Play-Doh. I was like, no, I'm an adult, I'm not gonna play with Play-Doh. But then it just clicked. She was trying to help me de-stress. While I was doing all of this, I actually started having flashbacks of my childhood. I would go collect all the mud that accumulates after the rain, and whenever I'm stressed, I'll go at the back of the house, just me, myself, and my clay. So now, as a grown-up, after looking for so long for a hobby, it clicked. Why don't I do pottery, which is basically clay dough for adults? And this is how it all started from there.
And so, did that lead for you to start the studio?
No, actually. What led for me starting the studio is trying to empower myself and grow my life skills. So that's when I enrolled for social entrepreneurship training program and the social development center. And after getting really confident because we got the first place, me and my group, I was like, I think I got what it has to take my passion into a social entrepreneurship business, which is trying to bring back the heritage of pottery as it was really related back all the way in the old days, in our heritage, in our culture, but now it's fading away.
So, what is your favorite part about pottery, would you say?
What's my favorite part? Definitely not this part. This is very labor intensive, and we're preparing the clay to be working on it in the pottery bit.
So, you didn't tell us about your favorite part about pottery.
Actually, this is my favorite part of pottery. And you're gonna ask me why? I'm gonna tell you, it's easy. At this part, the clay is so smooth, it's so soothing, and it's very responsive. It goes more than just a craft right now. It's like you're in rhythm with the clay. And for me, since the clay is actually from nature, so it's like going back to nature. And also, this is one of the reasons, as I told you, my therapist recommended that clay actually releases stress. And the soothness of touching this, where it's just creamy, and how can I tell you? It's just amazing. Sometimes you would be making a piece and you would forget yourself, and 2, 3, 4 hours would pass without even realizing what you have done, what you needed to do. So basically you trance into a different universe.
That's nice. And what do you enjoy making the most? Is it mugs? Is it plates?
To be honest, with my 3 years doing ceramics, pottery, I kept asking myself that question. And the answer was not a certain shape, more like it's an approach that I really would like to enjoy to make big pieces. That's why I always try to push myself. And the reason it's not as easy to make small pieces as big one is the friction and resistance of a bigger quantity of clay. So yeah, the day that I can make a really like 60, 70 centimeters like shape or a vase or any kind of object in the pottery wheel would be the day that I'm really happy.
So what would you tell those who want to try pottery for the first time? Or, you know, you're interested.
You're gonna fail.
Oh, why?
No, it's not about failing. Actually, I was amazed. I got a few students. We do classes here. I got a few students who were able to make straight up, no issues cup from the first time, while others couldn't make anything. But guess what? The ones who couldn't make anything, they were having more fun. So it's up to you. It's a personal experience. When you're coming to work with the clay, what you're gonna get is what's being reflected from within. So if you're here to have fun or you're trying to do clay just to be happy, then you're gonna feel happy. If you have stress and you're trying to relieve it, you're gonna relieve a lot of stress, yes. But if you're here, if you come to try it just because you're gonna try it and there is nothing interesting for it for you, for example, you're coming with your friends, then you're not gonna get anything. Think of it this way. To get something out of clay, you need to communicate with it, and if you're not communicating, then you're not gonna get anything out of it. Thank you so much for coming. See you again.